Welcome back, everybody. It's Jeff again with jkstayinvegas, and I'm going to take you on the entire racetrack here. It is the first day, Thursday, November 16th of the F1. Sorry about the light, but there's Koval right behind us. Again, I'm going to take you all the way around the racetrack in this video of F1 Las Vegas Grand Prix. So let's get on and get down the road, check it all out. So that's Koval down there. That's where the pit is down there. And we're going to make a right, go down this lawn straightaway here at Koval and follow the racetrack all the way. I got all the pedestrian bridges done. Been keeping up on our F1 stuff, been showing this to you a lot, but now we're actually on the racetrack. This is one of two straightaways that they're going to be hitting over 200 miles an hour supposedly. And I'm going to take you down. This is the first part of the racetrack. It'll go around the Sphere, and then around the Sphere up through the Venetian and Wynn, then onto Las Vegas Boulevard, and then back down Harmon again. That's the way we're going to go on this trip. Show you as much as we can before the track is hot, as they say. Local time right now is almost 2 o'clock in the afternoon. All these roads are going to close of the racetrack at 5 o'clock, and then the track will be hot, as they say. Meow, meow. So I assume these 200, 150, 100 are letting the drivers know how many feet to the turn. There's a high roller up there. Get your bearings. They got these LED panels to let the drivers know information. I don't know if we'll be able to go around the Sphere, but we'll find out. We'll see. So they make this turn here. And I don't know if he can go down this way or not. I don't think so. So then they'll turn down here, go around the Sphere. Got this pretty T-Mobile 5G thing here. We'll see if that's true. So looks like they're not letting anybody go down that way. So I'll show you where it comes up from. So the cars don't go down this way. We can't, we've already shown you that area that goes around the Sphere. But we'll come back on this side so you can see how the cars come back up Sands Avenue. So cars will be coming up opposite of us from the Sphere, just right over there. So they come out of here. This is the turns like 7, 8, 9, 10 through here. And then they're gonna go up through this way towards the Strip. So we'll loop back around. And they'll come up this way. I gotta make sure I don't get hit here. It got a wide load. So the racetrack actually goes on the left-hand side there. All right, let's keep going. So if you want to go to Spring Mountain, Las Vegas Boulevard South, you got to go this way. And why not? Let's chance live here. This is the actual racetrack on this side. Venetian Palazzo right above us, and the Wynn Resorts World over there. And then the racetrack is going to be bending to the left onto Las Vegas Boulevard, which we'll see just in a second after this light changes. There we go. So here come the numbers again, telling everybody about the turn. And that's exactly what we're going to do. I gotta say, this is pretty cool. Hope you agree. If you like this, subscribe to our channel. Hit that thumbs up. We don't need this light anyway. There's no traffic coming. There's no traffic that can cross. And this will be shut down at 5 o'clock. Again. Although people can come into the Mirage here, and they're already denoting Hard Rock here. Nobody's coming that way. Let's keep going. What a mess. Why would you even go down this way in a car? Makes zero sense. See some of the sights. Now I know what motorcycles feel like. It is a little hairy. Especially when you got the cabbie that's hugging the right side. Yeah, like really, why would you go this way? Did you not read the news? are the Caesar fountains. I don't know if I'll get those. I don't think so. Too difficult. There we go. We got this, guys. We got this. Risking life and limb for our J&Kers out there. Here we are at Horseshoe. Police and fire department already ready to go. And they got the water here finally going. That's been the nice plus side of all this, is that the Caesar fountains are going, despite the Bellagio ones not going. Let's go on the racetrack. There's the Bellagio grandstands, no fountains. Fountains are on, but you really can't enjoy them. You have to go up into the Bellagio and watch them from behind, unfortunately. Doing a whole bunch of stuff here. Got a big old MGM car here. That's kind of cool. This is getting hairy. Like Harry. I understand why anybody would choose to go up Las Vegas Boulevard. I guess just for the thrill of it, to sit in traffic. All right, there we go. Oh yeah? Oh yeah? Hilarious. So there are turn markings again, 200 feet, 100 feet, then 100. And this is Harmon up here, turn 14 and 15. And we'll turn here. Okay, we made it to the other side of the street of Harmon here, and this is where 1415 goes down, and then we go down the racetrack this way. And it comes speeding down here. Hilton Grand Vacations grandstands up there. Rolex. You know, your average, everyday sponsor. And drivers will pass by these grandstands. And this is the final turn, turn 17. And this will take them into the pit area. Right down through there. Well, everybody, hope you've enjoyed this tour around the racetrack here at Las Vegas F1 Grand Prix for 2023. It is the first day, Thursday. Las Vegas Strip will be closing at 5 o'clock, and then they're going to be doing 2 different practices tonight. Stay tuned to our channel for all these F1 updates, and you can, even if you don't care, you can at least see what's going on. All right, everybody, if you enjoyed this video and all our videos, please hit that thumbs up and subscribe to J&K Stay in Vegas. Also, turn on those bell notifications to be alerted to every time we post a new video or we go live. All right, everybody, until next time, stay safe and stay silly. Bye-bye, everybody.